Hard Wood Tonic Review, is it an amazing product? Do you feel your marriage is rocking like a boat caught in the storms, all because you are unable to satisfy your partner? Yes, many men like you feel very depressed and low due to a health concern called erectile dysfunction. It may seem like a matter of shame and helplessness for you, with no immediate cure in the vicinity. As you must have read in the news, there are thousands of men who were killed trying to using homemade medicines to solve this very problem. Hard Wood Tonic. You may come across many websites that claim to have a total cure for this problem with medications. They may quote your problem is due to psychological stress, which is not actually true. The medicines that they suggest include injections and testosterone gels that will not treat the problem but may just make it worse. Jon Remington has come up with a remedy that is made up of natural ingredients. He found a dramatic relief to his problem, and he could satisfy his wife in a way she could not believe. Hard Wood Tonic System is a treatment program for erectile dysfunction, and it has proven to be one of the best digital systems that can solve the problem without any side effects. Here's our unbiased review of the product for you. Full review in the description below. Click the link to know more.